Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and in this video I'm going to be going over how the entry function works on a grade 1 and grade 2 clutched entry lever. Now, the entry function of a commercial lock compared to a residential lock is actually quite a bit different, and I just wanted to give an explanation of how it kind of works in case you have questions if you're not familiar with it. So here we are with a clutched, this is a grade 2 entry lever, and right how it works, if the button's pushed out and you push the handle down, it's just going to be unlocked, kind of like a residential on the front door of a house. And on the back here, there's this button, and if you were to push this button in from the outside, now the lever is going to go down because it's a clutched function, but this entry or the latch here isn't going to move. Right? The two ways to open up the lock would be from the outside. You turn the key and you see the button just popped out there, and now it's going to open. Or if that button's pushed and you push down this back lever, it's going to open the door and it's going to pop out this button here, and now the lock is unlocked. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky for some people if you're not familiar with this. So if you were to, let's pull that out a little bit here. If you were to push this in, this button, and turn it. See how I did that? Here, let me do it again. Open it up. So I pushed it in, and then I turn it. Now when you do that, now obviously from the outside or from the inside, you're still going to be able to get out, right? You're going to pull the lever down, the latch is going to come in, you're going to be able to get out. But if you notice, the button's not popping out, right? So from the outside, it's locked. And to get in, and you use the key, when you push the key in and you turn it, the key is going to turn the latch and pull it in so you can open the door. But once you take the key back out, it's still going to be locked, right? So the only way to get it out of this locked mode is to twist the back like this, and then at that point, it'll pop open. So that's the kind of tricky part about entry lever on commercial entry levers, is that if this button is pushed in and turned, it's always going to be locked from the outside. The only way to get in is to be able to use the key, and the key, as you can see, is pulling the latch in. Outside of that, it's going to stay locked from the outside when that button's pushed in. So hopefully that's helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.